In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a moire pattern problem in Photoshop. Moire patterns can ruin an otherwise perfect image, appearing as unwanted, wavy patterns in various parts of your photograph. These patterns often crop up during scanning or photographing fine patterns like fabric or screens, and today I'll guide you through an effective way to resolve this issue using Photoshop. First, we're going to start by opening Photoshop. If you haven't already, launch your Adobe Photoshop application. Once it's up and running, the first thing you'll need to do is open your image. Go to the File menu at the top of your screen, click on Open, and select the image that shows these unwanted patterns. With your image now on the screen, we're ready for the next step. On to the third step, we now want to use the eyedropper tool. Locate this tool in the toolbar on the left or simply press I to trigger it. Once activated, you should click on a part of your image that represents the brightness or tone you'd like to spread across the problem area, typically the surrounding area of the moire pattern. This action sets a specific color as your foreground color, which will be used to blend into the problem area. Now, let's move on to the brush tool. You can select it from the toolbar on the left, or you can press B on your keyboard as a shortcut. With the brush tool selected, head over to the top of your screen where you'll find the opacity setting. Adjust this setting to 20%. Setting the opacity to a lower level allows for a more gradual blend, helping to seamlessly paint over and reduce the visibility of the moire pattern in a natural way. For the final touch, it's time to brush it over the affected areas. Gently and patiently use your brush to apply the selected color over the areas with the moire pattern. Start by clicking and dragging the brush over the pattern. By keeping the opacity low, you can slowly build up the effect to just the right level, ensuring you blend enough to reduce or eliminate that distracting pattern without overly painting the area and disrupting the texture or original detail. And there you have it. After going through these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in the appearance of your image, with those pesky moire patterns either dramatically reduced or completely eliminated. This technique is fantastic for preserving the overall quality and feel of your photo while dealing with those frustrating visual artifacts. Thanks for joining me today in fixing a moire pattern problem in Photoshop. Keep experimenting with these tools and soon you'll master the art of seamless image corrections.